Hello everyone, today we have 2010 it's Lincoln MKS. The problem with this car was the radio turned on and everything was working, but there was no sound coming out of the speakers. The problem was, I'll show it to you. It is in the trunk called amplifier. You open your trunk and remove this little screws, and pull this down, and there it is, your amplifier. It has 4 bolts holding it, 2 on top, 2 on the bottom. You unscrewed those bolts, replace it. Here's the one I had. I replaced the one from the junkyard, and it fixed my problem, the problem on this car. And you don't have to program it, or you don't have to do anything. You can just literally swap this thing, and that was the solution. It can be same for the Ford Taurus and other Ford models with the premium sound system, where it has amplifier to adjust the sound system. If it doesn't work, you're not gonna have any sound coming out of the speakers. Thank you for watching. Here's the car. Like and subscribe to the channel if it is helpful to you. Thanks.